This is the Eufy S3 Pro 2-camera kit. More than just cameras, it's a vigilant guardian for peace of mind. For every parent, every homeowner, you have had the thought, is my family safe? Is everything protected when you're away or even asleep? The Eufy Cam S3 Pro delivers a confident yes to your phone. Blurry night footage, missed details, or constant false alerts that disrupt your day are common issues found in smart security cameras. The Eufy S3 Pro offers clear awareness and enhanced security with convenience. Its specifications start with video, 4K UHD with 8x digital zoom and 120-degree field of view. Boosted by max color vision and its f1.0 lens, it brings 4 times more light for vivid, true color night vision, identifying faces and objects up to 9 meters away. Video feedback is also enhanced with TruePro sensor and proactive radar that drastically cuts false alerts, notifying you only of genuine threats. For audio, two-way communication with AI noise reduction lets you speak clearly and listen up to 8 meters away. And the 100 decibel siren and adaptive spotlight deter threats automatically. The S3 Pro has also been designed with reliability in mind. These cameras are IP67 weatherproof rated, operating flawlessly between -20 and 50 degrees Celsius. And for power, the trademark Solar Plus 2.0 keeps the 13,000 mAh battery charged with just an hour of daily sunlight. However, if there was no sun for some reason, it would last up to 365 days depending on settings. For ease and smart home connections, it's compatible with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Assistant. One of the Eufy S3 Pro's core strengths lies in its powerful home base. It's an intelligent brain with BionicMind AI for facial recognition and seamless cross-camera tracking, organizing every movement into a clear, unified timeline. And crucially, all of your storage is locally secured with an expandable memory up to 16 terabytes. This means zero monthly fees ever. You maintain full control over your data and privacy. It's a premium security experience that truly integrates with your lifestyle. These cameras are also compact, measuring approximately 7 by 7 by 10 centimeters, about the size of a smaller Coke can. This makes it light enough for easy solo installation on any wall or surface. In the box, you will find the two Eufy S3 Pro cameras, Homebase 3, mounting kits, necessary cables, and instructions. You will also get a spare solar panel in case one of your cameras cannot be installed in a sunny area. Getting started is simple. Mount the cameras, plug in your Homebase, and follow the Eufy security app instructions to get your security system online.